Hey everybody, Jim King. I'm back out here in Liberty, Missouri. Liberty is like Lee Summit, a hot spot for us. We've piered a lot of houses here. What we've got here going today is we got 5 piers starting right here at the south side of the front porch, working our way to the north corner. The front porch, if you're up there, you can see it's pulling away from the house. It's starting to settle, footing out in front. So we're going to install 5 King Pier IIs to raise that footing back to its correct level of elevation. We do it every day. So for all your foundation repair needs, if your house is sinking, you have only one choice, and that's to call King Piers. We will guarantee to raise your footings back to its correct level elevation. We're not invasive. You won't find any mess in your yard. Where cleanup is second to none. Check our videos out. We clean up better than anybody. So anyway, that's what we got here at Liberty. 5 King Piers. Call me, 816-521-8915. Don't forget about my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.